This is one of those projects that is 100% worth the money. Retaining walls aren't just cosmetic. They give you more usable space, a safer yard, better drainage, and increased property value. FTS Excavation makes the process simple with a design-build package, so everything is planned before construction starts. No guessing, no shortcuts, and with the package currently 50% off, a one-time fixed price, we will also provide a free estimate to install it the right way. It's honestly one of the best upgrades you can make to your property right now. Fill out the form to get started today before our summer availability fills up.